a very special real estate opportunity in Buyukcekmece, particularly Marina 24. We have this view from the garden that belongs to this beautiful house, which is a duplex. Let's see it together. Here is the living room. By the way, the idea of having a garden here that you can have your barbecue party or anything, it's really nice. By the way, this duplex flat is 4+1, 298 square meters. We have 2 floors. Here is the living room, there is the kitchen and the bathroom. Let's see upstairs. Here is the second floor. Here it needs some construction, normal, because it's a new flat. Here is the bathroom. By the way, this flat has 3 bathrooms, and there is the other rooms. And that was a very quick tour to this wonderful apartment. By the way, its price is really competitive. If you want to have a tour to it, contact Imtilak Real Estate. Have a good day.